Still making customers visit a separate cart page to see what they've added? That friction could be costing you real sales. Say hello to the side mini cart from ShopLentor, a sleek real-time cart that slides in without interrupting the shopping flow. It keeps customers focused and informed, right where they are. Setup takes just seconds. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules. Enable the side mini cart. Go to the advanced settings. Choose position, left or right. Customize the icon. Color, background, border. Make it match your brand perfectly. No coding, no complexity. Just clean control from your WordPress dashboard. View cart contents instantly without page reloads. Remove items with a single click. Enjoy a mobile-friendly cart that slides smoothly on any screen. It's a better experience that keeps shoppers engaged and buying. Upgrade your WooCommerce store with a smarter cart. Activate the side mini cart module with ShopLentor today. It's simple, beautiful, and built to boost conversions. Ready to transform your store's UX? Try ShopLentor and keep your customers just a click away from checkout.